In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spot verified suppliers on 1688 app. First, open the 1688 app and start your search. You can type in a keyword for the product you want, or tap the camera to use image search. The image search is especially helpful because it finds multiple suppliers offering the same or very similar items, which makes it easier to compare pricing and quality. Once you open a product listing, check the supplier badges near the store name at the top. Tong, often translated as trespass, means the seller paid for a basic verified membership and past business checks. Shili Shangjia, sometimes shown with a bull icon and translated as powerful merchant, indicates a more established seller who pays higher fees and typically maintains stronger performance. Shendu Yanchang, or deep factory inspection, signals that an on-site factory audit was conducted, which is one of the strongest indicators of legitimacy. Seeing these badges means the business has submitted verification documents and is generally more trustworthy, though you should still verify other signals. Next, scroll down to review performance metrics. Stars or A+, and A++ icons reflect past performance and sales volume. Years active show how long the supplier has been operating. More years often signal stability. Check ratings and written reviews for consistent, specific feedback rather than vague praise. Look for return or customer service scores. Low return rates and high service ratings are good signs. Sales volume indicators, such as medals, hearts, or crowns, tell you how many buyers have placed orders. Higher volume often means wider trust. Tap the store name to open the supplier profile. Here, review company information, business license details if they're displayed, and the registered location along with total years in business. Real factories and trading companies usually provide clear profiles and photos. Sparse or inconsistent details can be a red flag. Evaluate recent reviews and transaction history. A reliable supplier typically shows recent orders, authentic buyer comments, and if available, real-life photos from customers. Be wary of suppliers with very few orders or only overly positive, repetitive feedback. When available, use buyer protection or trade assurance tools. These provide a safety net if goods arrive late, damaged, or not as described. Before placing a large order, contact the supplier through the built-in chat. Ask for factory photos, confirm the minimum order quantity, and clarify production time and the return policy. Fast, clear, and professional replies are a strong signal you're dealing with a reliable seller. Follow these steps together, and you'll significantly improve your chances of finding verified suppliers on the 1688 app.